While comparing Google TV, Roku, and Fire TV Stick, each has its strength, but the best choice depends on your specific needs and ecosystem preference. Google TV, especially with the Chromecast with Google TV, offers a sleek interface with excellent search and content recommendation, especially if you're already in the Google ecosystem, being YouTube, Google Assistants, and Android devices. It supports a wide range of apps and voice control is smooth via Google Assistants. Meanwhile, Roku is known for its simplicity, affordability, and user-friendly interface. It doesn't favor one streaming service over another, making it a neutral and easy-to-use choice for all users. Roku also tends to be the most stable and less bloated with ads or recommendations. Amazon Fire TV Stick provides strong integration with Alexa and Amazon services like Prime Video. It's feature rich, often priced competitively, and supports side-loading apps. But it does push Amazon content more heavily than others, which might feel cluttered to some user. Overall, Roku is best for simplicity and reliability. Google TV excels in smart features and recommendations, and Fire Stick is great if your TV to Amazon's ecosystem or want customization options.